Hi everyone, welcome back. It has been a really hot minute, and when I say hot, I really mean hot. I wanted to share with you today my entryway decor for the holidays. My entryway is my favorite place in my apartment. I absolutely love it so much. It's the first thing that you see as soon as you come in, and I did like a really pretty one for fall Halloween that I just didn't get up here, but it was on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, then you probably should do that. But I wanted to share with you this little beautiful holiday entryway look, which makes me so freaking happy. I'm obsessed. I wanted to do something very minimalist. I love the Nordic Scandinavian trend, and I wanted to keep that here with like the minimalist tree with not much decor. I do have my real Christmas tree to put up, but I'm so freaking lazy. I can't even get to doing that right now. But yeah, I have this little tree that is like a tabletop tree, I think you call it, and I'm just really happy with the way it looks, and I don't plan on putting any decor and anything like that. I'm just really in love with it as is, and I think in the night especially would look so cute. Yeah, so let me share with you what I did. I only did one pop of red, as you see there, which is the stockings, which I'm happy with that, and everything else is like green, white, and gold, which I love. So yeah, let me show you guys how it turned out. We are going to be doing some Christmas decor. I kind of had my tree across here. This is a pre-lit tree, so I think it can just come on like this. I love it. I'm doing a very minimalist Christmas theme this year because I just want to, you know, just have very simple green and just like a pop of red. This is my only pop of red, like my two stockings across here. And then I have like a little blanket that I will just neaten up. But I'm going to go ahead and put some of like all of my Christmas decor. I have stuff on the couch across there, but yeah, I am going to go ahead and fill this up and see how it looks. I'm really excited. I was not feeling any Christmas spirit at all for a really long time, but I just love how this is starting to look. So it's making me feel inspired. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is how my entryway came on. Let me put on the tree. So it's a pre-lit tree. It is battery operated and it has like different modes on it. Of course, I'm so boring. I would just like keep this on the mode that it comes in just now, right, this one. And my prints are from Desenio. I should get new ones. Oops, I did not. Whatever, we're gonna work with this tree for now. I have the candlesticks, which I really love. I got those on Amazon. I will try to link as much things as down below. I love the Nordic Scandinavian vibe, as you guys know. So I have like this donut vase, and I just added like pops of gold because I feel like if that was just my theme. I have these little bottle brush Christmas trees, and I just had like this one random ornament that I decided to just add in to the decor just to take up a little bit of space, but I absolutely love how it looks. And then across here I just have some of these bells, which I think is just so cute, my ladder shelf, and I have a stockings for Coco and Lola. And then I just have two other stockings here. I use this plaid to even out the other two. I have my little blanket there. And this garland is so simple and so cute. I love it. I just did not want a lot of red. That is just not my vibe. But I do love how the red stockings just kind of added a little pop of color, which is all I needed. And then my garlands, I love garlands that look really nice and just real, and I love that it has like a little bit of glitter on it, as you can see, like on this leaf. You have pine cones and some of the white berries, which I do love a lot more. And at the bottom I just kept it really simple with just these wicker baskets that really completed my entryway. I love them so much. I just kept like olive branches in there, and that is basically as simple as it gets when it comes to my entryway holiday decor, and I'm really happy, so happy with it. I love it. I also added these boho beads. At first I had them in the tree itself, but I think I needed like one more string, so I just draped it over the pot, and I think that just worked. And yeah, this is the pre-lit little tree, and I just put it in like a concrete planter. So inside is the normal like black stand it comes in, like the black pot, and I just added it into this concrete planter instead, and it was so perfect and so good. Hello everyone, it is Sunday morning, bright and early, and I am here for a little workout. This is the only time I leave my house to do this one thing that I've started back doing, and I love it so much. And yeah, you guys will see me in about 2 hours. Okay, so a few days have passed and I picked up a little bit more Christmas decor that I wanted to share with you. Share with you. Oh my goodness, I cannot speak. But yeah, it's not anything too much. I will start off with this beautiful mug. I'm still not in the Christmas spirit, as you can see. Like, I'm getting there. I shouldn't say I'm not in the Christmas spirit, but I'm getting there. And my Christmas tree literally should be right there right now. We will get to that sometime, but I just wanted to share with you some quick little things that I picked up, starting with this mug. Okay, and let me just start off by saying and preface it by saying that I'm not like a mug collector. Almost all of the mugs that I have I got as gifts, but I really did fall in love with this as soon as I saw it. Is this beautiful gold handle across here. I love the reindeers on it. It looks like a sweater pattern, which I really do adore. Like, how pretty is it? I love the white and the gold foil. Oh! Lola, come. Lola was literally right by me. You guys, look who I got. Miss Lola. Miss Lola. Hi. Lola. Lola is really getting big. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. She is like a fully gray. Look how cute she looks. She literally is so cute. But yeah, Lola is my new kitten. I got her to keep Coco company, and yeah, she wants to go now. Bye bye, Lola. I just tried to like get her to, she doesn't want to be in my hand, you guys. Okay, so, all right, to match that, well, not actually match because it didn't fully match, I got this bowl, and it was like gold foil as well, and I think that it is just such a nice little thing. The sad part about all of this is that it just had like one in each one, so I really would have gotten this in pairs. So I would have gotten like one of this as well, another one, and I would have gotten another bowl, but it is what it is, and I'm living alone, so why not? I got this bowl. This has like snowflake patterns on it with a gold like rim on top, which I find is so pretty as well, and I just think that both of them match so well together. Next up, we have this gold little tree. And oh my god. Ah! Okay, so unwrapping. I bought this for like my Ottoman, which is in here, because you guys would have seen me decorate my entryway another time. So yeah, this is for my Ottoman. Let's get into it. Almost here. When I was shopping for things for Christmas, I really did want to have things that I would have every single year, and just more statement pieces rather than like plastic items, if that makes sense. Plastic items are fun, I have nothing against it, but I am just such a simple, like very just minimalist person. I don't like a lot of color and stuff like that, so I know that these pieces, yeah, it may be a little pricier, but I know that it will just be there for every single Christmas. And this is how it looks. It is on this wooden stand, and I love that. And it's just like gold ceramic, and I love it. Like some ASMR in life, should we? But yeah, I just think it was such like a cute Lola. I think it was just such a cute little color. I'm like literally trying for you guys to see Lola. So next up, I have these candles, and these are flameless. They're not real candles, and they're battery operated. They have a remote though, which I obviously can't find, but I'll just switch one on for you right now, and it glows. It literally looks so good at night. I will try to like put in a clip so you can see how it looks, but I love how it looks. And with my new kitten Lola, who is making noise right now, she, like, Coco knows not to stay around like candles and stuff, but I just think that Lola, I'm just so scared that she like burns off her whiskers or just does something like that. So I have two of these because I think like having some kind of light on my Ottoman will look really, really nice. And my next item that I got that I really, really love is this house. Look at it. How cute does it look? I used to read like a lot. I'm getting back into reading, but when I was younger, like I filled my childhood with reading tons and tons of books, and I just love this because it just reminds me of like just like those cottages with snow and stuff on it. Like I feel like if it has like a Hogwarts vibe, like if you go like what is it called in Orlando? I'll just put it on the screen because I can't remember, but I went a few times and it just reminds me of like a Hogsmeade place. I love it. I love the little holly on top here. I love the snow. I love the wooden. I love the, just like the vibe of it is just so pretty. Also, oh my goodness, this actually has it's battery operated, so it has like it lights up. So let me put it on. So yeah, you can't see it right now, but like it lights up and like all the windows just light, and I just think that it looks so magical and so pretty. I love it so much. It just makes me so happy to look at, and I just think that we can do like something really cute. I also have this old Christmas tree, but this is not new. I had this forever. The only thing I wish I could change is the pot that it is in, but I don't have anything right now. Maybe I can do like a quick little DIY with like twine or make it that rustic vibe, which is, I don't know, or maybe just get a cloth or something and just wrap it around the tree. I feel like if I might do something like that, but other than that, I feel like if it looks like a real tree, and you guys know I love things that look very real, and I think that it looks like a real tree. And yeah, I'm not gonna do any decor on it. I just really wanted everything plain, just very naughty Scandi for my apartment. And I just love how it looks, and it feels really real. Like it literally feels real, which is why I love it. Like if I had a better pot for it, you would actually think that this is real. I feel like if this will make such a cute little Ottoman scape for Christmas, so let us go ahead and do that and see how it looks. I am thinking to do like the house. You guys, I just love how it looks already. Okay, so like the house can go there. I think that the tree looks really cute there. I have like Coco's old like rug thing, so I was thinking to like just, does that look good? I'm not really, we're not sure about this vibe, but I'll just see how it looks there. You guys, let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Do you prefer the tree like this? I feel like if it completes it. Or do you prefer this? I don't know, I'm so torn because I love the gold with the wood and everything. I love it. But I just don't know. You guys need to let me know. Okay, so this is what I have right now. I have the tree behind it and the gold. I feel like if the tree behind could look as if it had like a forest behind the little house. As you can see, the little house is all lit. How cute does it look? I'm just in love with the little details on this. The gold tree I really like as well. And then on here I have the candle. And I just put like a little gold ornament because I felt like if that just really completed the look. Let me know what you guys think. I'm open to tons of suggestions because like I'm just so boring in life, but I am just so in love with how everything looks. I just love it. I will play around with this a little bit, and honestly you guys, you need to be proud of me because this is the most amount of effort that I have made. Yes, it took me like a week apart to do each thing, each minuscule small thing, but we're getting there in life. And yeah, just let's all have a moment of appreciation. One day I'm going to have a vlog. Is this cat here? I'm gonna have a vlog and you will see a Christmas tree there. I don't know where else to put it in my apartment. I feel like if next to here is just gonna be so cute. So yeah, one day it will be up. Like I promise, it will be up.